Hello guys, success is not built in a day. Everything in life is step by steps. Becoming a professional graphic designer, you have to put more hard work on whatsoever you are doing. In today's class, I will be teaching you another professional flyers for church, which my size still remains the same, 12 inches by 12 inches. 12 inches by 12 inches, I use inches. If you are new on this channel, remember to click the subscribe button, and if you are a returning subscriber, remember to click the notification button. Also click the like button so that YouTube can recommend this video to others. Thanks so much. Let's dive in. 12 inches by 12 inches, and also the resolution will be 200. I think that's okay. The color will be RGB. Before clicking this, I have to name the file. Let's name it flyer. That's all. Let's name it flyer. Let's leave it like that. Then create. Then after creating, I have to bring the resources I'll be using for it. Dragging in the resources I'll be using, which is this. Now I'm dragging in. This is the resources I'll be using. I just want it to be simple, complex. That's all what I just want. Simple. Let me create the background now. I will come to this and I will pick. Let me use green this time around. I don't even know the color I want to use. Let me use green. I think green is okay. And let me use the gradient color also. Using this gradient color, I have to change it to another color. Let me use yellow. Yellow will be okay for me. Let me use yellow. Can you see? Next is for me to make it at the center. I want it to be. Let me cancel this, delete this. Then this, I just want to be in the center. Can you see? I think let me adjust it a little bit. Can you see? Just follow all these steps. You understand it. There is no magic anywhere. You have to develop yourself. I have to open a new layer mask now, change it to white, and I'll use the brush tool. Just click once. I think that is okay for me. Let me click it once. I think this is okay. Let me review the instrument I'll be using, which is the drum I'll be using. Wow, this is having background. Let me go and use the one that's not having background, which I've downloaded. Let me drag this in. Okay, I've dragged it in. Can you see now? I've positioned it where I want it to be. Now there is this idea I want to implement in this design, which I've not been using in my other designs. First and foremost, let me just draw the shape. After drawing the shape, can you see the shape? Let me zoom in a little bit. Then let me type a text I want to use. The text I want to use is just Thanksgiving. That's what I want to type inside. All Thanksgiving. Let me type it. I'm coming. Let me just click the text and type Thanksgiving. Let me change the color. Let me change it to green. I think this is okay. Yeah, let me type it. Thanksgiving. That's all. Then I will space it. Space. After spacing it, I will now copy it together with the space. I'll copy it together and I will now paste. Ctrl C to paste and Ctrl V to paste. That's all. Let me reduce it. Let me use this. I think this is okay. Let me now centralize it. I have to move it to the center. Can you see? I have to move it to. No, it's not moving. I have to move it. I've moved it to the center. I think this is okay. At the edge also. I think this is okay. This is okay. Let me use the normal centralize. Is moving to one edge. Let me just leave it. Let me adjust it manually. Okay. I think this is okay. Let me merge it together. Ctrl E. After merging it together, I'll have to click on Ctrl T and slant it up a little bit. Can you see? I just slant it up a little bit. There's an effect I want to use it for. That, can you see? Let me bring it to this part. Let me draw it up. Let me make it more big. Can you see? I'll duplicate it also. I'll duplicate it. Now can you see I've duplicated? After duplicating it, I have to change it also. I have to change the rotation. I have to mirror it down. I have to push it down. Can you see? I have to push this side up. That's all. Can you see now? I've positioned it the way I want. Let me just push it down. I've pushed it down. Bring it to the back of the drum. Can you see? I'm good to go. I'm good to go. I'm good to go. I like this. I like this. I like this. I like this. Just take your time. Watch to the end. Now let me type in the Thanksgiving boldly, which I will be breaking the text apart. Let me just type it. If you are new on this channel, remember to click the subscribe button and the notification button also. If you like this video, click the like button so that YouTube will recommend this video to others also. That's what you can do for me. Now I've increased the fonts. The gap in between is too close. Let me open it. Let me open the gap in between. Let me reduce it. Let me close it a little bit. I think this is okay. Let me close the gap here. Can you let me close the gap? Just follow all the steps I'm showing you. Just follow the steps. Follow all these steps. Like serious, follow the steps, you get it right. Now I'm trying to make it a little bit bigger. I still want to close this gap in between, but let me change the color of the giving so that I can be able to close the gap. Let me close the gap. Let me now change the color. White is not okay. I'm not okay with white, but I will still change it. Let me flip it a little bit. Why I'm flipping it is just to make it more creative. I just don't want it to be just ordinary. That's why I'm flipping it. You can leave yours like that. Let me just paint this layer first. I'm adding white to it. I want it to be more lighter. Can you see? Now I'll change the background to solid and the text to solid. Let me use the solid part. Can you see the effect now? I think we are good to go. Let me bring this down so that this image will show. I think this is okay. Next for me, let me leave it okay. Service, let me just type the service. I still always award you that use more than 2 fonts in any design you are doing. You can use cursive font, you can use normal font. Now I'll be using the cursive font in the service. I will have to change the spelling. Let me write the spelling correctly. You have to check your spelling also. Check the spelling. Now let me change this to cursive font. I have this cursive font. I don't know why I love this cursive font nowadays. I just love this cursive font, especially this. I love it. If you need it, let me know. If you need any resources on my channel, let me know. Thanks for those that I always saw their comment on my channel. It's encouraged me to drop more content that people are following me. I like that. Even if it's appreciation they are doing, I like that, because it's encouraging me and letting me know that people are really appreciating what I'm doing. It's not like waste of time or waste of effort. I really appreciate you all. Now I'm trying to bring in another concept. I don't want to use this. I've been using this often. I don't want to use this now. Let me search for another thing. Let me use another thing. I don't want to use this. Let me use another thing. Let me calm down. There are a lot of resources I can still use. Even you to just find to let there be difference in what you do. Let there be difference in what you do. So that people will be like, wow. Now I'm trying to use this. So let me mirror it to the other side. Flip it to the other side. Okay, I think this is okay. Let me blur it. Next for me, let me blur it. Let me go to Gaussian blur. I've blurred it a little. You can increase the blur. It depends on the effect you want to use it for. Now let me convert to small jets so it will decide to reduce. I think this is okay. I think this is okay. This is okay. This is okay. I still want to add more effect on it. I'll duplicate this. I want to fade it to the background to add a little bit more effect on these designs, on this fly that you're seeing. Can you see? If you are new on this channel, remember to click that subscribe button and let's get on with this class we are. Can you see? I have to page it down. Now I've page it down. It's showing a little bit. It's not showing hard, it's not showing more. I don't want it to show more. I just want to add a little effect to it. You cannot see it, but I know the effect I'm adding to it. Next is I still want to add. So let me use this woman. No. Let me use this drum. Okay, this drum can still go. Let me just position it somewhere. Let me reduce it. Now I've reduced it. I will still change it. Sometimes I'll just bring in some resources. I'll just paste it somewhere, but I'll still later change it. If I check, is it giving us the result we want? If it's not giving us, I will still change. Now let me type in join us this Sunday. Okay, let me type join us this Sunday. I just wish to use cursive font. Let me leave this cursive font like that. Let me leave the cursive font. Let me leave this cursive font. Let me just leave it there. I think it's okay. Next, what else do I want to apply to it? I still want to apply something to it. Let me scroll down. Let me check. Okay, this. Let me add this to it. The moment you are designing, concept will be coming to your head, and you just have to bring it out, bring that creativity in you out. That's just the secret. Let the creativity show. Let the creativity come out, and let's see. Let even the world see. Can you see? I think this is okay, but let me blur it a little bit. There is this power of creativity in you until you showcase it. That's when you'll be free. If you don't showcase that, let me just rush and deliver this work. It's not complete. You have to deliver what is in you. You have to deliver that. I'm assuring you that you can be a great designer also. That you work for big churches, big brands. It's just a matter of time, and devote your time to tutorials. Watch more tutorials on my channel. Okay, I can use this image. Let me use this image. Let me drag it in. I don't even know where I'll paste it, but I know it will work. It will work. Okay, this is where I'll position it. This is the concept I'm talking about. I don't even know where I'm positioning it. As I'm bringing it, let me use it here. And I know it will work. I'll just have to figure out. I have to bring this I have to bring it top the image. It must not be at the back. It must be at the front of the image, I think. Okay, let me bring the drum tool at the top. Okay, let me bring it out one more. Let me move it out one more. Okay, this other. Let me move it out. Let me move it out. Let me move it out. I think this is okay. I like this. Like this. If you find this video interesting, this tutorial interesting, make comments that wow, I love it. So I'll just feed myself, and I'll know I'm imparting lives. Can you see? I later change the position of the drum. That's what I'm saying. I'll still change a lot of things. There are some things you just feel like it is done, and maybe the design is done. Let me change this color of this. Let me change the color. Power clip it inside the effect only. Let me just change this green. I think this is okay. On what this video you are watching on my channel is free. If you apply for this course online, you know how much you pay. All what you just need is to click the like button so that YouTube will recommend it to others. Can you see? We are almost done. I just had a little color effect on it, and I'm bringing this down. Can you see? There is no much now. I feel like let me duplicate it and bring it up. The more you work, the more your concept comes. That's just the secret. Even me, I now fall in love with what I'm doing more. Sometimes I will just sit down, I will just like, I have to do more content so that people will learn, so that people will improve. Now I want to type in the time. Let me just type 8 prompt. Can you see? That's all. There is this creativity power in you. You can also just pull it out. For all my commenters, people who comment on my videos, there is a package for them, and I'm going to call their names out, and I'm going to give them their package. I will ask for their details, and I'll send their package to them. Remember to always click the like button, the subscribe button also if you are new on this channel. Also, the notification button is so important. Thanks to you all. We are coming to the end of this class already. I think now everything is done. We are good to go. Can you see the power of this creativity? We just did this together. If you have any question, remember to drop the question at the comment section. Thanks to you all. See you on another new video of mine, which I will draw praying on this channel.